guys, I'm Stuart with UBeesize and today I'm going to show you our new 16-inch ring light with remote control set. First, let's have a look at the stand. All you have to do to set it up is loosen this knob here and then simply turn the legs over like so and then tighten that knob again and you can stand up the stand just like that. To adjust the height of the tripod, you simply release these clips along the center column, just like this. Second, let's see how the light works. Connect the cable to the light. Then to turn on the light, you simply press the power button that's on the touch screen, like that. And then there's a slider as well, also on that touch panel. To adjust the color temperature of the light, simply use the slider on the touch screen, like this. And then to adjust the brightness of the light, press K and use the touch screen again. To adjust the shooting angle of the phone, simply use the two knobs at the side, like this. The UBeesize 16-inch ring light comes with this remote control, which enables you to remotely control the brightness and the color temperature of the ring light. Thanks for watching.
Really up to you if you want to mount it horizontally or vertically. For today, I'll be mounting it vertically. Screw the panel mini onto the 1/4-20. Bring the tension disc up to the light. This will keep it nice and tight so it's not moving around while on your computer. Next, find the location that you want to mount your VC 2.0 to your computer. It's very important that you don't mount it directly on your camera, as it can be very distracting when you're trying to talk into your computer's camera. I like to have it off center and out here on the corner. It's very important when you're mounting this to your computer, you do not have it over any edges of your computer. If you mount it like this, it will fall off. Once you find the area you would like to mount to, be sure to compress your suction cup and close the latch shut while it is compressed. This is a very important step. If you close the latch shut while it's not compressed, it will not be a strong hold and it will fall off. So be sure to push down on the suction cup, then close the latch shut, and it will not go anywhere. Once your VC 2.0 is mounted to your computer, you can mess around with the angle in which it is facing you. Using this screw, you can loosen it, angle it in any direction this way, and you can also adjust it this way. Now is where you can fine-tune your lighting and find the desired look that you're going for. Simply hold on the blue button for 3 seconds and your light will turn on. You can adjust your LUME 2.0's color temperature to match skin tones and ambient lighting, and you can also adjust the brightness to make sure you're well lit on camera. Keep in mind, if you're on a long video call where you need a little bit more light, you can always leave it plugged into your computer and recharging while you're using it for longer durations. If the suction cup isn't the correct solution for you, we do have an alternative. We have a tabletop stand that's sold separately, similar mounting solution with a 1/4-20 thread on top and locking legs. You simply mount your AirVC 2.0 to the top of the stand, and it's also a telepod, so if you need it to go up and above your computer, it can easily do so. And it comes with locking legs. Lock the disc into place.